Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You're now watching episode 8 of the Arunachal and Spiti travel series. Episode 7 released last week where I showed the places to visit in Kaza, so please go and check it out. So the plan for the day was to visit Dhankar Monastery and head back to Poo, which is a small village 5 to 10 minutes from Tabo.
The stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down? grey outside. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
We had reached Poo and were staying in this amazing homestay. The sunset video was taken from the terrace, and this village was just too calm away from all the chaos. They made us feel like home, and we were all just sitting and talking like friends. There were some electricity issues in the village, but they helped us all along and got the generator running. Some members of the group started complaining about the electricity to Ansia trials and the homestay people, which was not needed as some things are out of everyone's control and they need to adjust, which they were just not ready to do. Well, when in Poo, do stay here, they will take good care of you.
The next morning.
So the plan for the day was to visit Gue Monastery, and then it was a long drive to Chitkul where it was snowing crazily. Then we stayed the night in Sangla. Gue is a small village in the Lahaul and Spiti district. In this village lays the perfectly well-preserved 593-year-old mummy of Sangha Tenzing. It was a Buddhist monk from Tibet and found in a sitting position with his skin and hair intact. Currently, Gue is controlled by India but claimed by Tibet. So there will be a lot of army folks around. Interesting fact, as Gue is very close to China, the time is always messed up there. So the Apple watches and phones picks up the Chinese time zone, as you can see in this image.
It's calling me like the rainbow. It's calling me like the rainbow. The rainbow.
It was raining on the way, and we were really sure that it was snowing in Chitkul. We could already see glimpses of snow and were really excited, as in the whole trip there was no snow, and towards the end of the trip at least we could witness some snow.
It's calling me. Like the rainbow. Like the rainbow. It's calling me. Like the rainbow. The rainbow.
Well, it was snowing heavily in Chitkul. We were all excited and worried at the same time, as we had to go back to Sangla in the dark with all the snow around. There were definite chances of the vehicle to skid. Honestly, it was a bit scary, but our driver was very experienced and got us back safely. We had finally reached Sangla. This was the last night with the group, so we were all drinking and enjoying the snowfall. As you can see, it was snowing heavily and chunks of snow were falling. This brings us to the end of episode 8. If you liked this video, do let me know in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video and hit that bell notification.
Spider-Man is Spider-Man. तूने चुराया मेरा दिल का चैन. Spider-Man is Spider-Man. तूने चुराया मेरा दिल का चैन. Oh, Spider-Man. उठाया.